Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one of the largest affiliate program on the internet, that is Amazon Associates. So you might be having an Instagram account or YouTube account, or you would be wanting to become a influencer. So what you can do is you can promote various products that is available in Amazon, and you can put the link to that product in your videos. As a result, when users go and buy this product from Amazon, you get affiliate commissions. Most of you might be aware of affiliate commissions, but Amazon Associates is a very large program that is used by popular influencers to make money. You would have seen some of these Instagram channels that they show various decoration products, whether it is for Christmas, Holi, Diwali. So when they decorate their houses, they put links to various products that they have used in the decoration. So these things will earn them referral commissions. So it's easy for you to join. You should click on the sign up button. Tens and thousands of creators, publishers, bloggers are earning with Amazon Associate program. You can recommend various millions of products with your audience. We have a customized linking procedure for large publishers. So then you can earn up to 10% in affiliate fees. So you can check this out. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.